In the silent cradle of history, a smooth black stone was the very first tool used to tame the wild textures of animal hides. From ancient Chinese pan irons to the heavy linens of Egypt, humanity has always pursued the beauty of a flat surface. In the dim light of the Middle Ages, hot coals were placed inside iron roosters, marking a primal dance of fire and fabric. Water strikes searing cast iron, vanishing instantly in a violent hiss of steam. Early mechanical irons with worn wooden handles labored through the decades, softening the stiff folds of history. By 1882, the first electric designs emerged, as fabric-wrapped wires began their slow evolution into the safe, insulated power of the modern world. Antique glass sprayers once misted the air before the heat descended, a nostalgic precursor to the industrial steam shops of old. Sunlight filters through the fog, a poetic reminder of natural humidity in our lives. Today, those rough fibers meet the digital frontier, where complex steam pressure chambers are mapped with surgical precision on a glowing CAD screen. Lasers scan the molecular structure of thermal alloys, while pure white resin beads flow into the line like a winter storm. As the morning sun hits our modern factory, the heavy steel doors swing open in a rhythmic symphony. The robots awaken, signaling the start of a production cycle where heat and water are finally mastered by the highest form of technology. Raw aluminum alloy blocks are fed into the glowing furnace, melting into a liquid stream of fire. Under high-pressure molds, the sole plate takes its form, plucked by robotic arms while still radiating intense heat. CNC milling machines then grind the surface to a micron-level flatness, as robots carve dozens of tiny steam vents in a perfect breathing pattern. Mirror polishing heads move with fluid grace before a silver-gray ceramic coating is sprayed onto the metal. The sole plate enters a high-heat oven to fuse this protective shield forever. We verify the glide across delicate silk, searching for the smallest flaw. Nearby, copper steam channels are fitted to the back, forming the hidden veins of our powerful thermal engine. Heat-resistant silicone seals are pressed into place as laser scanners verify the absolute flatness of the plate. The metal now glistens like a silver mirror, etched with technical specs by a beam of light. High-pressure water jets cleanse every steam vent, ensuring a clear path for the mist. A forest of finished sole plates glides along, reflecting the blue light of our workshop. The assembly line pulses with energy as the metal workshop gives way to the world of polymers. Transparent polycarbonate is molded into the water tank, where high-pressure air tests every seal for total integrity. Anti-calc filters are nested inside to fight the minerals of the world, ensuring that every drop of water remains as pure as the day it fell. Flexible silicone tubes are connected to miniature pumps, forming the machine's rhythmic circulatory system. Brass valves are installed to regulate the steam flow, while the first test mist is released in a soft cloud. Water level sensors are fitted before a robotic pump searches for the slightest leak, watching as pure drops move through the transparent architecture. Gaskets are snapped on to prevent any spills, as robotic arms secure the tank into the internal frame. Every digital gauge verifies the flow, ensuring the hydraulic system is compact, yet incredibly sophisticated. The water is now ready, standing in the darkness of the machine, waiting for the fire of the heating element to ignite and breathe life into the steam. U-shaped heating elements are automatically bent and pressed into the sole plate's inner grooves. We spray a thermal compound to optimize the bridge of energy before the thermostats are seated. On the SMT line, green circuit boards receive their microcomponents, creating the digital brain. Smart temperature chips are soldered into place, ready to calculate every degree of heat. Fire-resistant power cords are linked to the board alongside thermal fuses that guard against overloads. Soft rubber buttons are added for a premium touch as nickel-plated terminals ensure a perfect flow. A protective gel is poured over the circuits to shield them from the intense steam, a vital barrier for the delicate electronic life that thrives within the machine's heart. Power is turned on for the first time as LEDs flash a soft green signal. The heater accelerates to 200 degrees, while the electronic pump begins its rhythmic vibration. Robots snap the ergonomic handles onto the base, and automated screwdrivers drive stainless steel bolts home. This is the moment where raw power and human comfort are finally fused into one. Temperature dials are fitted with a satisfying click before the unit enters the automated steam chamber. A violent burst of pressure is released from the sole plate in a magnificent steam burst. Infrared cameras map the heat distribution across the ceramic surface, verifying the auto-off safety functions that protect every home from the hidden dangers of the forgotten iron. After a brutal drop test to ensure structural strength, we verify the high-voltage insulation of the shell. Automated cloths remove every fingerprint from the glossy resin as laser-printed serial numbers are etched onto the base. Every detail is a testament to our factory's legacy, a perfect harmony of power and precision, ready for its final journey to the world. The finished iron is nestled into a recycled cardboard fortress alongside its measuring cup. The conveyor seals the carton with industrial tape as pallets of finished goods are stacked in perfect order. A sea of blue LEDs marks the end of the line, as our mission to protect and perfect every fabric begins its journey across the globe to reach your hands. Digital graphics reveal how the steam travels deep into every fiber, relaxing the very heart of the fabric. Tomorrow's irons will feature AI that recognizes every silk and cotton instantly. In a cloud of mist, wrinkles vanish, revealing the confidence of the wearer. Each machine is a guardian of your finest garments, a silent partner in your daily pursuit of perfection. Antibacterial silver nanoparticles radiate from the plate, keeping your clothes fresh and safe. A single piece of silk glides across the hot ceramic as robotic arms perform their industrial dance. Using recycled plastics, we embrace the purity of steam for a cleaner world. Looking down at our factory, we see the reflection of a modern, sustainable future on a polished surface. Digital temperatures shift and lock at the perfect value as 3D designs become a tangible reality. A finished iron stands as a work of art in a minimalist space. One final laser sweep and a thin mist of steam pass the lens as the factory falls into a nocturnal blue glow, smoothing every fold, elevating every value. This is the breath of the fabric. This is the future.